Dear friends, running through the first quarter of 2022, we are looking forward to post-COVID period with significant pressure release on supply chain and therefore much more stable business.
We in Trasing Conveyors are proceeding on our mission through the projects, focused as usual on our standard client industries.
Intralogistics inside the logistics centers, distribution and fulfillment centers and all kinds of automated warehouses.
Non-alcoholic beverage producers are among the most common clients of Trasing, so our product portfolio partly leaning on this industry. Dairy industry is also in our focus. We are developing most sophisticated systems for the goods conveying within the dairy production.
Cornerstone of our solutions portfolio are systems for the pallet handling, both chain and roller. These systems are most common in our production.
Breweries are the industry within the beverage industry, and we are extremely focused to support this area. The customers from the breweries are setting the standard in industry, and we are happy to say that Trasing develops excellent relations with most prominent beer producers on the market.
Call us to schedule the meeting. Smart automation only brings benefits, so why waiting?
All the best. Yours, Trasing Crew.